Module 1, Practice to Mastery Instructional Video. A PTM exercise is a graded exercise, and it is similar to a tutorial exercise. It is called a Practice to Mastery exercise because it allows you to retest any of the 20 lessons as many times as necessary until you acquire a complete understanding of sentence structure. Once you are consistently able to identify the function of all words, phrases, and clauses in all sentences that you write or read, you will greatly improve your proofreading, editing, and writing skills. You start in Lesson 1 by identifying only the noun subject. In Lesson 2, the pronoun subject. In Lesson 3, the subject and verb or verb phrase. And in Lesson 4, the subject, the type of verb, and direct object. Starting in Lesson 5, you must identify the function of all words in the sentence, including adjectives. And starting in Lesson 16 through Lesson 20, you must also identify all clauses in a sentence. Here's how you complete a sentence in Lesson 3. The instruction box tells you what words in a sentence must be identified. For Lesson 3, you must identify the type of subject, the main verb, and any helping verbs. Always begin by identifying the word in the sentence that is the subject. The subject is always the word in the sentence that provides an answer to one of these questions. Whom or what are we talking about? Or who or what is doing something? Once you find the word that is the subject, click on the correct subject code button and then click on the word that is the subject. For a brief audio explanation of any word function code, click on the code and then click on Reminder. Or to view examples of sentences with specific words coded, click on the Help tab, a word function tab, and then the link that will show you an example. Use these helpful aids with each lesson instruction until you are consistently selecting the correct word function code on your first attempt. After identifying the subject, you identify the main verb. The subject and main verb together always begin a complete thought. Next, identify any helping verbs. Once you have identified all required words, click on Grade Me for your results. When all required words are identified correctly, as in this example, green codes will appear above the words and the correct message appears. However, when a word or words are not identified correctly, as in this example, correct codes will appear in green and incorrect codes will appear in red with the correct code and the incorrect message. The scoring box displays your current grade and your highest grade. If you do not score higher on a retest, your highest score always remains your lesson grade score. Your average 20 lesson grades in progress score is 50% of your final grade. Retest your lesson grades that are less than 90%. For most students, scoring higher grades in previously completed lessons is not difficult to do. Remember, your average final grade in each of the 4 EGOMP modules determines your awarded EGOMP certification. EGOMP Mastery Certification should be your goal. Your URL EGOMP certification will be a door opener for many job opportunities. Now read the PTM procedures and proceed to the PTM exercise.